10 rules to help maintain a strong and healthy marriage. 1. Communication. Open, honest, and respectful communication is crucial. Share your thoughts, feelings, and concerns regularly. 2. Trust. Build and maintain trust by being reliable, transparent, and trustworthy in all your actions. 3. Respect. Show respect for each other's opinions, beliefs, and differences. Value each other's contributions to the relationship. 4. Commitment. Stay committed to the relationship, especially during tough times. Remember your vows and the reasons you chose each other. 5. Quality time. Spend quality time together. Engage in activities you both enjoy and make time for regular date nights. 6. Support. Be each other's biggest supporter. Encourage and uplift one another, especially during challenging times. 7. Conflict resolution. Learn to resolve conflicts healthily. Avoid blaming or criticizing and instead focus on finding solutions together. 8. Intimacy. Maintain physical and emotional intimacy. Show affection and prioritize your romantic relationship. 9. Shared goals. Set and work towards shared goals. This fosters teamwork and a sense of partnership. 10. Forgiveness. Practice forgiveness. Let go of grudges and work towards healing and moving forward together. Kindly subscribe to this channel for more relationship advice.